area.
Beautiful weather past couple of days. Humidity is going to increase. It's going to get sticky next
To
week.
be expected.
Right, exactly. It's about the time of year when we get more humid. This south breeze is really going to do a number on us. 76 was the high temp today, below normal. The clouds and the wind kept temperatures down below the normal of 81. Records 92 set on this day back in 1987. If you're sneezing, oak, pine, cedar has the tree pollen count high. Grass is high. Weed is moderate. Mold spore count is also moderate. Outside right now, it's really a lovely evening. It's very comfortable. 69 degrees, 2 degrees warmer than yesterday at this time. Dew points out of the 50s and into the 60s now, so the humidity is already in the process of coming up slowly but surely on that southeast breeze that's still gusting out there, 16 to 25 miles an hour at times. Temps out there on a breezy, beautiful spring Houston evening. Galveston is 72. Hobby 70, Bush 69, Conroe 67, Huntsville is 69, Sugar Land, you guys are at 72. It's gorgeous out there. If you can take a little walk after the news, if you have time, I'd do it. Southeast breeze at 23 in Galveston, Houston at 16, Tomball at 13 miles an hour, Hobby at 17 miles an hour. And this whole pattern, this whole onshore pattern is because of the larger pattern across the continental U.S. High pressure sitting south of St. Louis. You get a clockwise rotation around that high, and that is scooping the moisture off the Gulf and bringing it up and north and wrapping into low pressure, which has been strengthening up there in the northern plains all day today. That pattern is going to be kind of stuck in place for the next several days. So the humidity will slowly go up and up and up and up on that southeast breeze all the way through the weekend into the weekend. And tomorrow, 7 a.m., lows near 70. It might bring a few sprinkles, especially out west toward Columbus, Brenham, College Station. There could be a little sprinkle shower in the Houston area as you get up and get going tomorrow morning. Shouldn't be a big deal. By noon, maybe one or two isolated little rain showers. Look at temps. Instead of 70s, it's low to mid 80s, and we'll hover there with a mix of clouds and sun and a few little scattered showers going into the afternoon at 4:30. I've got rain chances at 30% in the morning, and they're going to lower as we go through the day. Summer trying to come on in. North Platte, Nebraska is at 60. Winter is still holding on to the Great Lakes in the Northeast, where New York had sleet mixing with a cold rain today. Over the next week, we'll get plenty of snow across the northern plains, and that is because of the jet stream pattern, which is deep enough to bring snowy and cold weather to the mountain west and the northern plains, while in position to keep Houston, Dallas warm and breezy for the next several days and into the weekend. Here's Wednesday. Slight chance for drizzle in the morning, then it's a warm, breezy day. High temp goes to about 82 or so. The extended forecast, mid to upper 80s into the weekend. Summertime conditions coming in for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, gang.
It's about that time. Thanks so much, David.